and 9.
Yeah.
So if 9, 19, 20, 25 and 34.
Yeah.
Okay, so Abdullah has got 34. Anyone is getting greater than 34? See, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Any way you can go. The hint
Yes,
is
ma'am. Ma'am, I got now.
5 numbers you have to take.
Ma'am.
Yes? Yes, who is answering? Abdullah, you are
Me.
answering? Yeah, Abdullah. Okay, this
Ma'am.
one, how much you are getting?
This
9.
again, ma'am.
This is Sakleen. Okay.
Yes.
How much is the total?
11,
11, 9,
20,
20, 28, and again 34 you are getting, right?
Yes.
So 2 34s we have got. Anyone? See, there is, I have a solution of 37. So if you can get 34, you can get 37 also. Some options are there for 37. You can get 39 also. It is there on the board. Just find it out. Trying, everyone?
Yes.
This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You cannot take, only 5.
We can take 9, 8, 4, 6, 2 and 9.
Ma'am, I
9,
got
8, 4, 6 and 2. Yes, continuous it is there. What is the total, Amina? 19, 20, 21 and 29 is the total. So it is lesser only.
Ma'am, I got.
Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Akleen, you got, or
I
Abdullah?
got 35.
Ma'am.
After 2, you will, like after 9, 8, 4, 6, 2 and 9 also you will take again.
Yeah, continuous you have to take. Yes, Akleen.
Ma'am, this one.
This one, this you have drawn blue color?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, brown one.
Brown one.
This 9, 9, 8, 9, 5, 5.
Okay, what is the total? 9, 9 twos are 18 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 6. No, where is it gone? 20 plus 5, 25. Then fifth number is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 25 plus 6 will be 31 only, or 6 here also is 31. So it will be 31 only. Or 4 will
9.
be. Yes? Should I give you the solution? Just see, one hint I'm giving you. Just see the maximum numbers, how you can get all the 9s and
9,
8s.
8, 6, 6.
Ma'am, but you didn't add 8.
Just erase rest of the pens. We
Ma'am,
have
if I
already
take
34.
all the big numbers like 9, 8, 6, 6, like that.
9, 8, 9, 5 and 6 you are getting here. Or you can come over here. 9, 2, 6, 5, 9 you are getting. See, these totals also you can check. Or you can go like this, like this, like this, like this also. Okay? So anybody has got greater than 34. 34 is the maximum answer that we are getting.
Ma'am, I got 35.
Yeah, show where is 35, Munib?
Ma'am, this 9,
Yes.
8,
Just
4.
a moment. Where is 8? Just remove, just erase all the pens. I cannot see the number. 9, 8, then?
Ma'am, see this. I'm drawing. See, mine green one is there.
Okay, green one. Which one? Green one. This one. 9,
Yes,
8, then?
9, 8, 4, 5, 9.
How much is it? 5, 4, 9, 9, 8,
35.
27. 35. Yeah, this is 35. So this is maximum we are getting 35. Anyone is getting 37? Yes. This one is how much? 9, 6. Who is doing this red one? 9, 6, 8, 9 and 7. How much is it? 24, 30, 39. Is it okay? Who has done this?
Ma'am, I got one more, ma'am. See.
Who has done this red one? Tell me your name. Who has done this red
That's 36.
It is 36. 9 plus 1, 10, 15. 15. Then this one is 15 plus 8. 23. Plus 9. This is 39 you are getting. See, maximum.
33.
Ma'am, I'm getting 42.
How you are getting 42? Show.
Ma'am, I'm drawing. See.
So this was maximum 39. Who has got this answer? Not telling your name.
Ma'am, 42. Munib, I got.
Okay, 42. Show me the answer. Where is
Ma'am,
42?
see this
Nine.
green color line I'm drawing now.
Green color. From where are you starting? From 9?
7. 7.
From 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8 you are doing?
Yes.
But outside it is not connected. Na? This you are drawing the line. Wherever the lines are there, there only you can join. Okay, Munib? This you cannot join because line is not there. Okay? Erase your line, Munib. Okay, Ahmed did this, red one. Okay, red one is the winner. So that is 39 is the answer. Okay? Okay, can you total it? This is, okay, this was done by Ahmed. Okay, great, Ahmed. Correct answer. I had this, just erase everyone. I had this is getting 37. Okay, Munib, erase.
How, ma'am?
See, you start from here, go here, go here, go this thing. And Ahmed did, Ahmed, what was your answer? I didn't see it. Ahmed, how did you do? Ahmed, what was your answer? This one, no? Yeah. Yes. So this is the maximum answer. See, 39. Okay, got it?
Yes,
The answer
ma'am.
which I am giving is 37. Ahmed's answer is 39. So that is the
ऐसा नहीं करना तुझे ऐसा आगे जम करके इधर करना है.
okay. Okay, so moving on to the next.
Matching finding.
Okay, you have to match the questions with the answer. Okay. One more thing. What is the HCF of 5 and 7? Any two prime number. What will be the HCF of any two prime number?
1.
1.
HCF is 1. So any two number will have HCF 1. Who is answering? Don't answer all the questions. Huh? 6 and 7 answer is already given over here. Give me 15 and 25, Farhana. What will match with 15 and 25?
8 and 20.
Ma'am, can I
75, ma'am, beside it. LCM 75 and
75 and
SCF 25.
No, and let Farhana answer.
Ma'am,
15 and
can
25.
I say?
Ma'am, 75 and 5.
Which one you are telling? This one, okay. LCM, HCF is 5, LCM is 75. Did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8 and 20, Muni. 8 and 20, what is the answer? Okay, Munir gave the answer. Okay, fine. 8 and 20 is 4 is HCF, 40 is the LCM. Okay, all done. 12 and 30. 12 and 30. Mozam.
I'm 6.
6 is the HCF, LCM. Where is the answer? Do we have the answer over here?
All
12 and 30, we are not getting the matching thing, right?
Yes.
12 and 30, we are not getting because HCF is 6 and what is the LCM? 60. Okay? So this we are not getting. Okay, enough of anger. Please remove it.
ये था पता नहीं क्यों हटाया.
Going to the next slide. Remove all these.
Okay.
Done?
Do it afterwards. And I will.
Okay. So let us start doing the question. You remember the
And
method?
today also we're gonna do long division method.
We'll do long division method. First you do long division, because I got answers only from Muazzam and Mudabbir. The assignment with long division method, only Muazzam and Mudabbir have solved. Nobody
And
else has.
the long division method is not given an assignment. I checked the
I
Google
told you
Classroom.
last time, the same CF questions you have to do using the long division method, which you did earlier. Okay? And don't start drawing over here.
My math section is almost ending.
Maths, one topic is left in this chapter.
Ma'am, I have not got maths textbook now.
Getting the answer? Just a moment. I'll come back once again. Okay. Anybody has got the answer?
Ma'am, we have to do it with long division method, no?
Yes. So 150 and 375. Which two numbers you are taking? I think we did this last class. We have done this question.
Yes, ma'am, we did this. We
have
took
done
one,
this
yeah.
question.
Ma'am, I got.
Yes. We
Yeah.
did 150 and
Ma'am, we have
210
done
together.
Yeah, we have done this question. Okay. This also we have done 324 and 928. Just check.
Yes, ma'am, I think yes.
Yeah. No,
Think so.
no,
We
ma'am.
have this question.
No, we didn't do.
We didn't.
Okay, do this question.
No, we didn't do.
324.
We have done.
928.
Ma'am, we've done it. The answer is 4. We've done it.
You have done?
Yeah, the answer is 4, ma'am.
Ma'am, the second one
Yes,
you didn't
ma'am.
do.
Second one. So let us do another question. 420 and 396.
So I think we did.
No, this we have not done. This I remember we have. The
This we've
number
not done.
396 is there, but this thing we have not done. Okay, even if you have done, just repeat. What will be the divisor? 396 and 420 will be the dividend. So bigger number should be the dividend. Mera, give me the answer. 396 and 420. Safia, doing?
Yes.
I will not solve it because so many questions we have done. Now you should be able to do it yourself.
Ma'am, the answer is 12.
Well, okay. Anybody else? Okay, Muazzam, tell me 396. Ones are 396. Is it okay? How much is the remainder? Who has done? Who gave me the answer, Muazzam or Mudabbir? Who gave me the answer 12?
Sakleen.
Sakleen, how did you do? 396 divided by 420. Sorry, 420 divided by 396. How much is the remainder?
24.
Okay. So 24 will be the divisor. What will I write over here? 396. how many times it will go? First, it will go by 1. So 24. What is the remainder now? 9 minus 4? 5.
Five.
Here it is 1 and 6. 24, how many times will go? 7s are? No. It will go by 6, I think so. Anybody has done?
Ma'am, I didn't multiply it by like this.
So division you will do like this only, na? If one
Ma'am.
number is like this.
I directly multiplied 24 into 16 and I got 384.
But it is difficult to do like that. So it is better to do normal division only, and then you will find out, because you will not understand it is 15 times, 16 times, 17 times how it will go. Okay. So 24 6 is how much? 6 4s are 2. Carry 2. Is it correct? 144. So answer is 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. And now you will write 24 is the previous divisor. So now you will get 12 2s are 24. So HCF is 12. Anybody else? I'm not getting answer from anyone. Only Saklain. And who else? Mozam, you give me the answer. Saklain, which method you tried?
Ma'am, I also got 12 only.
12
Wrong method.
method. Yeah. So this is the way how you have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Those who have not got the answer, please go through it and do it. Next question. Next question is 3 2 2 4 3 5 5 6.
I also do order दिया वो डेढ़ और देना है इसके बाद 8 बजे देंगे
No, I got the answer 12 now.
12, yeah, 420 and 396, na? Next question 3224 and 3556. This is wrong, this part is wrong over here on the print. The question which I did was correct. Here the picture clip is wrong. This is not, this should be 24 over here. Let me correct it over here. Since your answer is this, okay, because here you should write 24, the previous divisor. Anybody got the answer? 3224 3556. Vanza, it will go up. Safia, where are you? Are you doing it, Safia? Safia? Your video is off. Humera?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
doing
sir.
the second question. I finished it.
4.
I gave
Finished
one
four.
answer. The two one I give.
Okay. 3224 3556. Okay. Humera, are you doing? Ahmad?
With 3, 5, 5, 6.
So 3224 will be the divisor and 3556 will be the dividend.
It doesn't go.
So
One
one side
side.
will go, na? You will get a remainder.
Yes. 4, 2, 3, again 2, 0. Man, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 6 minus 3, 2, 2, 4 is 232.
232. Okay, let me do it. 3224. 1 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is
2
332.
and
Okay, now what I will do, Safia? This is my divisor.
ma'am, you know, in 5
Correct.
minus, yeah.
3, 2, 2, 4. Now I will divide this.
Yeah.
So 332, how many times it will go? 8 times or 9 times? Just check. 332, 8 times, 9 times or 7 times? Because it is 32, na? So just check.
3, 1,
Or 9 times it will go.
3, 8, 3, 16,
How many times it will go? Anybody has done this?
1,
9 times?
4, 2, 5, 7, 6. Nine,
7,
9.
8, 9.
Ma'am, it doesn't go with 9 also
Ma'am,
because
it goes with
answer
8.
do 9. 8.
Answer what you are getting, Amina? Are you getting any answer?
No, I did not get the answer, sir.
See, I'm doing it over here. If I'm just check my steps also, if I'm correct or wrong. 12 minus 6 is 6. 2. 0.
And 2, 2,
This will
6.
go 2 times. Okay. So I'm writing after this, I'm doing it over here. 106 divided by
2, 2, 6.
Muni, where have you reached? Till which point? Are you ahead of me?
No, ma'am. I'm doing 106 divided by 220.
Six minus 2, 4. 1.
4, 1.
Now how many times? Anybody has reached till here? Am I doing correct? Please check.
Yes, ma'am.
All of Safia, you are not doing?
Doing. You're correct.
Okay, I'm correct. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
After this, what should I do? Now I'll not do. I'm waiting for the answer. Yeah, Mozam got the answer.
9, 9, 2.
And the answer is 4.
Answer is got answer, Amina.
No, ma'am, wait. Yeah, ma'am, answer is 4.
Let me check it. I'm reaching on the answer only. 14 minus 8.
4, 1.
Answer is, I think, 2.
I got
6.
Last answer, see. I'm getting 2. Anyone else?
Ma'am, same answer 2.
Ma'am, the answer is 4.
Answer is 4. How come Okay,
I also got 4, ma'am.
so maybe some mistake I have done. Please check where is the mistake. Okay, let it be. 3, 2, 2, or okay, 3, 5, 5, 6 was there. 1s are 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 32, 2, 9, 8, 8. 9s are 36. Okay, here I wrote 98. It is 96. Okay. So 96, 236, again 192, 44. So from here only it was wrong. So that is why we did this mistake. Everyone has got this 4 answer. Amina, you got 4. Who else has got 4? Sakleen, you have got 4.
Yes.
Okay. And anyone else?
I also got 4.
Yes, ma'am, I got 4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also got 4.
Mudabbir,
How do you get 2 to 6?
Safia,
3 times.
2 is wrong. Munib,
Ma'am, I got 4. I tried 3 times, then I got 4.
okay. See, when the division is wrong, you have to check the remainder and this thing also, divisor dividend. It is confusing, so sometimes you get wrong. Okay, subtraction. Abdullah, you got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Oh, what mistake you did?
No, I'm still finding it out.
Okay.
It's taking a long time for calculation.
Yeah, it is a longer thing. See what you have to do, like 3, 2, 2, 4 is there. You see that 3 tens is 30, but it will not go by 10. So you just go by 9. Okay, and check it for 9. First digit and check this number. 2. This you can see, this will go by 1. This one, 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. So it will go by 2 times. So check it for 2 times. Like this we do. Check and trial method.
So trial and
I
error.
got the answer
A
as
trial
4,
and
but I
error,
did
but
not.
this is not error method. This is hit and trial method.
2, 9, 8, 8.
Okay, everyone got the answer. Those who have not got, you can note it down and do it on your own at home. But please practice. This method is important for these type of questions, such large questions, because then you don't know that which number is, suppose here it is clear that first will be divisible by 2. Then you don't get which number is divisible next number. So this way it is easier to do, because then you don't have to find which number will go, which number will be divided by both equally. Okay, so that is why. Next one, 1 1 3 4 and 1 2 1 5. Okay, now you do, everyone. I'm not going to do it now. 1 1 3 4 1 2 1 5. So first step is which one is divisor, that you have to decide. Which one will be divisor for Hana and which is dividend?
Ma'am, 1 1 3 4
Divisor
will
will
be
be
the
1
dividend.
1 3 4.
Yes.
And
Dividend
dividend
is
will be
1
1
1
to
3
1.
4. And divisor is 1 2 1 5. Okay. I'll just write it down over here, then you continue. This is 1 2. Sorry. Huh? Bigger is 1 2 1 5. No? So this is dividend, and 1 1 3 4. This is divisor. Okay. So 1 1 3 4 is divisor, and 1 2 1 5 is dividend. The number should be dividend. Now start doing. First will be 1 times only.
Ma'am, the answer is 81.
81.
Yes.
Okay. Sakleen, you are getting the answer 81.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else has done? Munib, what is your answer?
Ma'am, doing my.
Yes, 81 is the answer. 2 times only it will go. Okay, those who have completed this question. See, anyone has still Any doubt or any question is there regarding this method? Please ask. So any doubt, any problem you are facing in doing it, you can ask so that we can solve the problem. What is the issue with this method? 891 and 1215.
3, 2, 4, 4 and 6.
Which question you are doing, Safia? First one or the second one?
First.
Okay.
No,
Abdullah-
second, ma'am.
Ma'am, done. I also got 81. I am doing
81.
second.
Okay. Farhana completed first question.
Yes.
Okay. Amina.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but
Complete.
before that one is left. Before 1134 one is left.
Okay. You have to do this one also. Write down the question and complete.
I wrote this one, but
81
before
and-
that one is left. So I'll do it afterwards because you're
Yeah.
giving it, I'll miss it. So that's why I wrote the question and did half,
Okay.
and half is left, ma'am.
Okay. Complete it. Muazzam Mudabbir, did you do the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Mera Ahmad completed the first question.
Ma'am, 1134 into 14 is equal to 3 is equal to how much?
Is total 1134 into 14? No, 81 into
81.
14.
Sorry, sorry, 81 into 14. Yeah.
This is, see, just a moment. Just don't rely on this one. Sometimes I take the snapshot now, so it is not always correct. 81 into 14 should be 1134. Yeah, that is correct. 81 into 14 is 1134. Don't write it like this. This is okay. This way you can do 81 ones are 81. Answer remainder 32. 4 comes down. 4s are 324. See, when 2 times you have to divide, you have to complete the division and do. Here you just had 1 digit, so only 1 time it went, and this you got the answer. But 81, when you're dividing 1134 by 81, you cannot do it. You don't remember that it is 14 times. So first you take these 3 digits. 1s are 81. Answer remainder 32, and then 4 will come down, then 4s are 324. You got 0 remainder when you are dividing 1134 by 81. So 81 is the last divisor, so your answer is HCF is 81 because remainder is 0. Okay, next question, 891 1215. Anyone has found the answer? Yes, Akleen? Ahmad, are you getting the answer? You can write the answer in chat. Humaira?
Ma'am, still solving.
Yeah. Yeah, Amina, this session is not being recorded. Yeah, okay. No, it's been recorded now. I can see the sign over here. See, if you face any doubt, any problem, you can go through that chapter, your YouTube recording,
Ma'am.
and revise.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, I am getting a doubt, ma'am. See,
Yeah, tell. What is your
ma'am,
doubt?
first to divide 891.
Yeah.
So 891 ones are 891. Then we get 305. Then 305. I am divided by 891. 305 2s are 610. Then we subtract. So I
No,
get
I got the answer as 81.
81. First question, you are getting 81 or second one?
First one.
First one. Okay. Second one is, okay, let me do it, Muni. 891. You just tell me how you have done. Okay.
Ma'am, 891 into 2 is 1782, na?
I will have to multiply and find out. I don't remember 891 ka table.
Ma'am.
891 into how many times?
Ma'am.
It will not go
Ma'am.
2 times. It will go 1 time.
one.
Yeah. Yes, Akleen.
Ma'am, I got answer 1 for the second one. Huh?
Second one answer you are getting.
Yes.
Okay, let us check.
Ma'am, I got the answer 81.
81 for the second one or first one?
And the second one also.
Second one also. Okay, let us check. 5 minus. Okay, Moazzam, just check I'm doing it correctly or not. 5
And
minus
ma'am,
1 is 4 you are getting.
Yes.
11 minus 9 is 2.
2.
Correct? So 11 minus 8 is 324. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You are
891.
Yes, ma'am, it is 81 only.
81
Let's
only
see
you
if
getting? Okay. Sakleen, check your answer why you're getting 1. 324, how many times it will go, Farhana? 2 times? Just check in your notebook 2 times.
Ma'am, for the
Yes,
second one,
ma'am,
no?
2 times.
So 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4,
640.
and 3 2s are 6. So 11 minus 8, 3. What is the remainder? 8 minus 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for this one 324 and 891. This,
Yeah.
if you will multiply it by 2, so
Uh,
we'll get 668. No.
668 you are getting by 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. It's 48, na? Farhana, what
Yes,
did you
ma'am,
get?
ma'am, I got 648.
Yeah, 243. Then what will I write over here? It is 324.
324.
320.
Ones
So it will go 1 time. So 1 times is 243. What is the remainder?
81.
Remainder is 4 minus 3, 1. And 12 minus 4 is 8. So then
Yes, ma'am, at the starting I did a mistake.
243.
we did a mistake.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it will go by 3.
Okay, it will go by 3. 3 is 243. So you're getting 0 remainder. So your answer HCF is 81. Munir,
81.
check your answer. It is there on the screen. Abdullah, can you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer 81.
You got? Okay. Humaira, did you get the answer? Okay. Moving on. No response from Humaira.
no, ma'am. I'm still solving.
You are still doing? Okay,
Yes,
complete it. It is there on the board. So do it here now. See the answer over here also, and the printed answer is there. Okay, moving to the next question. Can we move? 3224 3556.
Find that. Ma'am, this is
Is it the same question? No, na?
One. I got 81 of the second one also.
Second one also, yeah. Okay.
ma'am, can you show this answer again?
Yes, ma'am, I got 81.
81, yes. Next one, HCF of 3224 3556.
Yes,
we
ma'am,
did this.
repeated.
We did
this.
Yeah, 4
Answer was 4.
Yeah, previous one.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this one. 3, 2, 1, 3,
Okay, next question is 754 and 1972 because I have not done the animation, so we cannot do. Okay, 754 and 1992. What is the answer?
And what is the question?
754 and 1992. Okay, you do the question. I'll just stop screen sharing.
754 and 1192.
754. Okay, let me write it over here. Everyone,
754.
yeah, 754, 754 and 1992. Okay, everyone write down this question. 754 and 1992
54.
and 1992. Okay, it is 1972, not 1992. Is it clear, everyone?
972, right, ma'am?
1972.
754 is no mistake, na?
No.
754 and 1972.
1972, yeah.
You have to find the HCF.
Yes, same question. HCF.
Ma'am, I got the answer 58.
58, yes, 58 is the correct answer. Anyone else has got the answer? 58 is the correct answer. Can you see the solution on the board? Next question is 180, 225 and 315. Muazzam, you have done. You can start with the next question.
Ma'am, I also got 58.
Yes. And to the next question, Munir, 180, 225 and 315.
This is 1 again 1 116.
Ma'am, I got 45.
Okay, for this one, 180, 225 and 315. All the three you have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 45 is the answer. Okay, last one, Muazzam, 960.
Ma'am, I also got 45.
Okay, good. Everyone, complete these three questions.
And for the second one, I also got 45.
Yeah. Good. 45. So second answer is 45. First answer is 58. And third answer, find out 960 and 1575. Yeah, Abdullah, which question you're doing? First, second, or third?
Second.
Ahmad, which question you're doing, Ahmad? Yeah, Ahmad.
Third.
Which question you're doing? Second or
The
third?
third one. The third one.
Second one?
The third one.
Third one, okay. 960 and 1575. Okay. Farhana, which question you're doing?
I'm the third one.
Third one, okay. Munib, you're on third question. Amina,
Yes.
which question?
I'm on second.
Okay. Write down the third one also because the time is over. So just write down the third question. You can do it at home. Anyone got answer for the third one? Yeah, Muazzam.
Ma'am, 15.
Let me check it. Yes, it is 15. So answer for the third one is 15. Write down all the three questions, complete it at home. Okay. And also for practice, the questions which I have given you, the HCF question, please do it using long division method. Those are small questions that is easy to do. But these are bigger questions. Mostly in long division, you will get large numbers in HCF. Okay. So any two numbers with one as HCF is also called as co-prime numbers. For example, 6 and 7. So 6 is composite, but 7 is two consecutive numbers. HCF is 1. So you will have those numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Okay, they are not prime numbers, they are co-prime numbers. And two prime number will have HCF equal to 1 always. Okay, so can I stop sharing now?
Oh,
All of
ma'am,
you-
wait.
Yes, ma'am, it's 21.
21. Which question?
The third one.
Third one is 15 answer. Check the last solution, see what mistake you have done. Third answer is 15. Check the question, you have written the question correctly or not. Always be careful in writing down the questions. Huh? Don't make silly mistakes in copying down the questions. Questions should be written correctly.
Ma'am, third answer is 15.
Yes, third answer is
I
15.
also got 15 only.
Okay, good. Okay, so can I stop sharing? Everyone has took it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, all of you, everyone, Humaira, Ahmad, Safia, done?
And third one is left.
Third one,
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down the question, do it on your own, okay? 960 and 1575. Don't copy the solution. See, even if you're doing it wrongly, that's fine, but you're doing it on your own, okay? So try to do any maths question on your own, and then if you're not able to solve it, then you can see the solution, okay? But always first attempt should be doing it on your own, then only you will learn. Okay, so I'm stopping it now. Stop sharing. See you in the next class, Monday. Remember, for revision, science revision, and Friday we'll continue with the maths topic, only new topic. Next week we'll have revision for maths. Okay?
Ma'am, what topic you are doing next, ma'am?
Next is powers and exponents. We'll do this last section is left in this chapter. Okay? Exponent and power, A raised to B, something like that we will do. Okay? Chalo, see you. Bye.